everybody. Welcome to Pedagogy for Early Childhood and Primary Education. It is a comprehensive course designed for educators, pre-service teachers, teacher trainers, and anyone interested in understanding how young children learn and how they can be taught effectively. Teaching young learners requires much more than subject knowledge. It involves understanding children's cognitive, social, emotional, physical, and language development, creating supportive learning environments, and using teaching approaches that are appropriate for their age, interests, and developmental needs. This course explores the principles and practices of effective pedagogy for children in the early years and primary grades, with a particular focus on language learning and classroom practice. Throughout this course, you will discover how children learn, examine major learning theories, explore evidence-based teaching strategies, and learn how to teach language skills through meaningful, engaging, and child-centered activities. You will also gain practical knowledge of learning, planning, classroom management, assessment, and reflective teaching practices that can be applied in both face-to-face and online learning environments. So, who is this course for? This course is intended for pre-service and in-service teachers, early childhood educators, primary school teachers, TEFL, TESOL teachers working with young learners, online English tutors, teacher trainers, and education students and researchers. So, what you will learn? By the end of this course, you will be able to understand the foundations of pedagogy in early childhood and primary education, recognize the developmental characteristics of young learners, apply major learning theories to classroom practice, use effective strategies to teach listening, speaking, reading, writing, vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Furthermore, design engaging learner-centered lessons, assess children's learning using a range of appropriate assessment methods, creative, inclusive, motivating, and developmentally appropriate learning environments, reflect on and continuously improve your teaching practice. So what does the course structure include? The course is organized into a series of modules that build progressively from foundational concepts to practical classroom application. Each lesson combines educational therapy with real-world examples, practical teaching strategies, and reflective activities to help you connect research with everyday teaching. Whether you are beginning your teaching journey or looking to strengthen your classroom practice, this course aims to provide the knowledge, confidence, and practical skills needed to support young learners in becoming successful lifelong learners. Let's see the table of content. Module 1, Early Years and Primary Education. Module 2, Importance of Early Childhood Education. Module 3, Child-Centered Education. Module 4, Child-Centered Education and Teacher. Module 5, Child Development. Module 6, Young Language Learners. Module 7, Major Learning Theories. Module 8, Teaching Strategies for Language Development. Module 9, Best Practices for Teaching Young English Learners. And Module 10, Assessment and Evaluation in Young Learners.